unlock new heights, not just leading. Hello everyone, I'm Sia working for Lonsdor. Today I will use K518 Pro to program smart key for 2024 Honda Accord. Let's do it. Now we connect OBD to the car.
Select Demo and Remote. Choose Honda. Select from Vehicle, Asia. Accord. After 2023. Smart Key. PUSH button O. We can choose all Smart Key loss or delete Smart Key. Today I will demonstrate to all Smart Key lost. According to the prompt, click OK. Please switch ignition off. Click OK. Please put a key to be programmed inside the car, and take other keys outside, above 5 meters away from Thacker. OK. The ignition switch can't be turned on. Click Cancel. Please press and hold Start. Stop button. Do neutralize. Ignition is turned on. Please release Start. Stop Budo. Click OK. Input the quantity of the key that needs to be programmed. Click OK. According to the prompt, click OK to continue. Put the key to be programmed inside the car. Click OK. Replace with another smart key and put it inside the car. Click OK. Switch ignition off in 15 sec. Switch ignition on within 15 sec. Is immobilizer light off? Click OK. Switch ignition off in 15 sec. Switch ignition on within 15 sec. Keys programmed count 2. Program completed. Turn ignition off. Now check all smart key to make sure they can be used normally. Click OK. The first key, lock the car. And lock the car. The second key, lock the car. And lock the car. Check the first key can start the car normally. Check another key. Check the touch function is working.
That's all process to program smart key for 2024 Honda Accord.